Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Today is public holiday here in Malaysia, so I take this opportunity to talk about three things. Before I start, please have a look on this disclaimer. First, expectancy. Second, win rate. Third, risk reward ratio. How these three important points relate to each other? I have searched the definition of expectancy or expected value. Okay, two main points I got from Wikipedia is first is weighted average, second is mean of a large number. So this is the definition of expectancy, which you need a large number and also you need to have an average weighted value. Here is the expectancy formula. As you can see, is E equal to x1 times P1 plus x2 times P2. X1 will be your win rate, x2 will be your lose rate. P1 is your win amount in amount of money, and P2 is your lose amount in terms of money. So do you know this game? Yes, it is roulette. Do you know why players always lose? Because of the game expectancy is negative. This is how it is calculated. Chance of lose is 37. By the way, this is American roulette, so you have 2-0. And chance of winning is 1, meaning you only bet on one number, so the chances of getting that number to be hit is 1 out of 38. And chances of lose is 37 out of 38. So if you use this formula, you will get negative expectancy, which is player always lose. So back to JFC Dragonfly. So we have here the win rate is calculated based on the whole sum of the win and lose over the months. So we have 97 win and total we have 234 trades. So which end up we have 41.45% of win rate, average win rate. And the lose amount will be negative 100 if that's a losing trade. Okay, risk is minus 100. If the trade is a winning trade, the reward will be plus 200. So this is how we calculate whether the strategy is profitable or positive expectancy after a long run. For JFC Dragonfly, the win rate is 41.45 as calculated before. So and hence after we have calculated with this formula, this trading system is making 24 US dollar for every risk of 100 per trade. Okay, and also there's also a formula on how to calculate the break-even win rate with the risk reward ratio that you are applying on your strategy. So like this is risk is 1, okay, and reward is 2 for JFC Dragonfly. So 1 divided by 3 is times 100 is 33.33. So that is why the minimum break even is 33.33. So here is the calculation after we have made with this formula expectancy. So what I can show you here is, let's say you have a winning rate of 28%. So will you get a positive expectancy? No, you will not, because you'll get a negative. So meaning in the long run, if you only have win rate of 28%, even though you have 2 to 1, risk reward ratio, you will make a loss in a long run. So you have to make sure your win rate for long run is higher than 33.33. So if that's the case, if you're making 34%, so you are starting to get profit or profitable when you have win rate of minimum 34%. So if you have higher, you will earn more. So your risk, reward, and win rate is tied in hand by hand. The main point is we have to get our large number of trades. Okay, so this is the table of my GFC Dragonfly strategy, which starting from April until August, and I start with Global Forex is from June, and before June, May, April, I start with other broker. So this is the simple summary on the win rate each month. And as you can see that there's a losing streak on particular week, and also there's a winning streak on particular week. So we cannot use this streak to calculate as our win rate. We have to calculate based on this, okay, with a total figure of after 150 trades minimum. Okay, so this is how we calculate the expectancy. So if you have expectancy positive, so you can confident execute the trade every single time. Total trades up until today is 234 trades using JFC Dragonfly strategy. Minimum 150 trades for you to calculate to take the average win rate to check whether your strategy is positive expectancy or not. So that's all for today. Thank you. Please help me to like, share, and subscribe. I'm John, signing off, and see you soon.